So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. Smash us a like. Your support is much appreciated. So let's crack on with the rest of the video. Today, we're going to take a look at repairing this plastic shower tray. Now, to complete this task, you will need a sharp bladed knife, some Mitre-Mate glue, some cleaning thinners, a filler knife, various grades of sandpaper, an airbrush, some white undercoat paint and some white top coat paint. Right, we've got a shower tray that got a nasty crack in it. So first job will be to give the shower tray a clean with these cleaning thinners, as the shower tray has been used. So we need to make sure all the area is clean before we start the repair. Okay, we're all cleaned off now. What I'm hoping to do is, with a filler knife, very carefully make a little bit of a groove where the crack is, which enables the glue that you're going to put in to adhere to the surface a lot better. You'll need to fill the groove in using this Mitre-Mate glue. As you can see, there's a nice little gap there. So with the Mitre-Mate, carefully put your glue on with a nice clean scraper. Scrape it flat, removing the excess, and then with the activator a little bit more there on the top, making sure you cover the whole of the repair. After you've sanded that, do exactly the same, going through various grades of sandpaper from 180 to 240, 320, and then finish off with a 600 wet and dry, making sure that the surface is completely smooth and completely flat. Okay, we're all sanded back now, and that is really come out smooth. So now we're ready for spraying. After a couple of sample tests, I'm going to go with this one, as this one is a brighter white, whereas the Koenig Eurocell one has got a tint of a bit of a yellow to it, but I have used that one in the past, as some trays are a slightly different tinge of white, so always keep a couple of different ones with you at all times. Next job is to masking tape all the top section and protect the tiles with some newspaper. So mask it all off and protect it ready for spraying. Okay, we're all taped up and ready to start spraying. As I've said, I've gone for this one as it's a close colour match. Now it does state at the back, at the bottom there, that apply a suitable primer. Now not all sprays, the Koenig one for example, you can go straight on top without using any primer, but this one is recommending a primer, so I've got this primer ready. Now to start spraying this, I'm going to use this airbrush, as you do have more control when you're using the airbrush rather than the spray out of the can. Now the primer has been sprayed into that small bottle that now attaches to your airbrush, and the airbrush is then connected to this compressor. So I'll switch him on and get ready to spray. Again, don't forget to give that a clean before you spray, and always use the appropriate masks as you're in an enclosed area to protect you from the fumes. Very carefully start to build up the coats of primer. Until the repair has disappeared. Right, undercoat applied. Just need that to dry before we apply the finished coat. As you can see, it's only that small area around there that I've sprayed, and you're able to do that, just that small area, because you have got more control using your airbrush rather than it being out the can. Okay, after a while the undercoat has dried quite nicely there, and with some 600 wet and dry, without wetting it, very gently go over the area you've sprayed just to smooth it off. Spray the top coat paint into the airbrush bottle as you did with the primer. Start to apply the top coat. Building up the coats slowly. Right, we're all sprayed up now. As I've gone on very thinly with the layers and used the airbrush, the coverage has dried quite dull, even though it was a gloss finish paint. What I intend to do now is very gently just go over the area I've sprayed with some 1500 wet and dry, just to smooth any imperfections. Okay, now all sanded back and polished up. As you can see, your damage has disappeared. And as we do say in the Black Country, that's Boston. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.